How to start a business with zero experience. What if I tell you that many successful business started with zero experience? No degree, no business training, just an idea to start. Do you agree with me? They started with zero experience and the business is moving. In this video, I will show you 4 simple steps to start a business in this year, even if you have zero experience. Make sure you watch to the end of this video because number 4 is the easiest way to start a business with no experience. Number 1, we have start small and test your idea. You don't need to invest a lot of money as a beginner. Yes, you have to test the idea. Start small at least to know the one that will work out from you. For example, if you want to sell food, you can cook for a few customers. That's where your idea come in. You understand? Or if you want to sell a product, just start with a little amount. This method will help you to learn. Yes, you understand, and it will also let you know the one that work out and the one does not. You understand? Starting this process small, and you will find out that starting a business is very simple. And number 2, we have learn from mistake. Yes, mistakes are part of business. Even all those successful entrepreneurs make mistake before they reach that level. Do you know that every mistake teaches you something new? That is the most important thing you have to learn concerning mistake. You make a mistake in business doesn't mean you are failing. You understand? Once you find out there's some mistake you are making, from there you will correct the error. That is why mistake in business is very important. And don't be afraid of failing. You just have to use each mistake to improve your business. This is the best idea ever. If you are looking how to correct the mistake in business, these are the best methods. And number 3, stay consistently. Yes, you know, success did not happen overnight. You understand? You have to stay consistently if you really want to start a business in this year. You know, success takes time to improve. Yes, in a business, you just have to stay patient, your effort, and stay consistently and keep improving. Don't stop, don't quit because you are not succeeding in that business. You have to stay consistently every time. And that business you are struggling to improve every blessed day. Trust me, that business, the way that the business will grow up, you will be so surprised. Yes, always put your efforts because one day that business will surely grow. And number 4, we have learn the base. Yeah, this one is very important. If you don't have any experience, don't worry. Today, do you know that learning is easier than ever? Do you know? You can use your Facebook, your YouTube video, or free course, or other businesses owner. Yes, you don't need to know everything. Yes, at least you have to start step by step. You understand? The only thing that I will let you know is that you have to learn the base and start it. That is all. Yes, you know, starting a business is simple, but it's somehow hard. But it's the hand you give a business, that is how the business will respond to you. You understand? If you open a business now and you are not staying consistently, you see that that business will not grow. Yes, at least if you apply all this knowledge to attach the business, that business will surely grow. Yes, that is why this base in a business is very important. At least you have to learn 1 or 2 things before going any business of your choice. Now you find out that starting a business in this year does not need more experience, no more much capital, just your little skill. You are free to go any business of your choice with zero experience. If you find this video helpful, like, comment, and share to someone who needs business idea in this year.